So when it comes to accepting payments online, we have sites like PayPal, Payeer, AliExpress, but you must have seen Payeer as part of the options on most websites when they're trying to pay you on the internet. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to set up a Payeer account right here in Nigeria, right? This is very easy to you, and I'm going to be guiding you guys through everything step by step. So if you live in Nigeria and you're wondering how do you receive money for websites like Voluptic who are ready to pay you using Payeer, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to do that. But before we jump into my screen, I just to get video started. My name is Gerald, and I make videos around making money online. So what I do is that I try things out, they work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done. And the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same result. So that's it, guys. It's important for you guys to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button, so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. And that's it, guys. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section, as I'm going to be here to answer all of your questions. And feel free to go through my channel, right? There are lots and lots of videos on how to actually make money online, which is going to actually help you make money on the internet. So coming to my screen right now, what you need to do is to click on the first link in the video description, and it's going to bring you straight to this website right now called payeer.com, right? So I'm going to come here. And then what you need to do is to click on where it says create account. Very simple, right? Click on create account. Click on create account. It's going to open this interface right now. So it's asking for my email. So you're going to put in your email address right here. I'm going to come here and hit create account. Very simple. Okay, so now a code has been sent to my email. So we're going to find that code and put that code right here. So I'm going to copy this code, come here, drop this code in here and hit create account. And our account is going to be created, right? Okay, so this is it. So this is the password that has been generated for us. Of course, we can actually change this. And this is our secret code, right? And this is our account name right here. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is to hit next. And it brings us to the interface where it says, congratulations. To complete, please enter your name and country. So I'm going to do right now is to put in my name here, right? Then put in my surname here. Right, then I'm going to select my country right here and hit done, and our account will be created instantly. That's all that you need to do, right? This is all that you need to do. So you see your login details here, you see your password here, you see your email address, your code, secret code, and your master key. You can download this as a TXT file and save it inside of a computer, right? So you see all your accounts right here, deposit, because you see your accounts right here. You have you can deposit USD, you can withdraw US dollars if you have anything here. You have Russian rupees, you have Euro, you have Ethereum, USDT, BTC, Litecoin, BNB, like everything is right here. Everything is right here, yeah? You can actually add money to your account from here. You know, you can choose to add USD from your USD balance. You can convert this, choose the system, and choose, you want to convert USD, for instance, into Bitcoin. Basically, you can do that from here. The amount you want to convert and all of that, but you have to have a balance right here to be able to do this, right? So you can transfer to other Payeer users, right? Templates, Payeer, you can transfer to Payeer to advanced cash, to perfect money, to ePay, Bitcoin, and all of that, right? It works completely fine. Of course, you can actually trade. So they have a trading platform where you can actually trade Forex right here, yeah? And crypto, of course. You can exchange right here as well. Exchange from Bitcoin or whatever, right? Whatever fiat, maybe Russian rubles to maybe US dollars or something. You can do all of that inside of this platform, right? A history of your payments and all of that. And of course, you can also receive payment from websites that accept Payeer as payment option. So all you need to do is to put in your account number right there, and your payment gets into this account. And from here, you can convert to cryptocurrency, you know, change to your local currency, which is fiat, or whatever it is. You can actually do all of that right here. So let me, I prefer this dark theme. Okay, yeah, I actually prefer dark theme. So you see how beautiful this is, right? And how easy it is for you to create a Payeer account right here in Nigeria. It is very simple, it's very straightforward, and Payeer is available in about 130 countries right now, which includes Nigeria. So there are no restrictions whatsoever, and anybody that wants an account on this particular platform can actually get that done. So this deals with limitation that we have in Nigeria. Or for those of you who trying to create a PayPal account, you have to use UK SIM card, you have to do all of that. You don't need to do any of that on this particular website, guys. So you want to watch my video on how to actually set up a PayPal account right here in Nigeria, this video showing up right here will show you guys exactly how to do that. So until I see my next video, keep winning. And don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.